Alrighty guys, we have another unboxing today, and this is Dark Souls 2 Collector's Edition. I know it's really old, but on GameStop.com for only 25 bucks, brand new, had to get it. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Alrighty, first thing on the top is the game. Oh, and it's a steelbook. Definitely worth it now. I'll go ahead and unbox that in a little bit. I want to wrap that. Then we got an art book. I'll open that with the game in a little bit. And I guess like a map, like a cloth map. Pretty cool. Alright, that's it for that. Then we got this giant statue, a figure. We're gonna open this up. It's falling all over the place. Really big figure. Got some weight to it too. Pretty nice. Really nice. He had some swords too. Let me go ahead and pick it up. Alrighty, I put the swords on him. There you go, with the swords. Really nice. I don't know if this is a figure, statue, both. I just know it's really nice. And for 25 bucks, can't beat that. Alright, let's go ahead and open the games and the rest of this stuff. Before I forgot, this is the back of the box. The side. The front. And the other side. Alright, so here's the rest of the stuff. Go ahead and open this up. If I could find where to open it. Oh yeah, right here. There you go. Yep. It's a map made out of some kind of cloth material. Oh, it's pretty big. Wow. Got the dragons right there. Nice. Dark Souls 2. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and move on to the next. So this is the limited edition art book. What a nice design. There's the side. Nothing on the back. Just a bunch of art. Really nice. Always cool to have. And let's get on to the game. Start unwrapping this. Okay, so this is the front. This is the side. And this is the back. We got a sticker on here. I don't know why that's on there. Oh well. And the other side. Okay, slide it out. Take off the sleeve. And now we got the steelbook. Nice, this actually pops out. You can feel it. You can probably see it if I move it like that. It's really cool. So this ain't a steelbook. This is probably a metal pack by the sides. And there's the side of it and the back of it. Let's go ahead and see what's inside this. Alright. So this is probably the, Woodman pack and whatnot. DLC codes. Here's a manual. It never really has anything inside. No. And what is this? Oh, we got a soundtrack with it and the game. Not bad. Just gonna take out the disc. See what's in the back of it. So I guess there's only a picture on this side, which is pretty cool. Alrighty. And there's a full picture of the front. Really nice metal pack. Well, that is the unboxing / unwrapping of Dark Souls 2 Collector's Edition.